Being a female in a very male-dominated field is so important to feel confident. What's up? It's Marie here. I'm at work, I'm on shift, and today I'm gonna show you how I stay cute at work as a firefighter EMT. So I turn to Sephora for quality products that can handle the demands of my job. Between extreme temperatures and wearing a helmet, my hair goes through a lot. When you do go into a building and it's full of smoke, your hair is literally just smelling so smoky. It takes a couple washes to, feel clean, smell good. And then when I get out of the shower, I just like to use the Kérastase oil. Having those good products to use on my hair just really helps it to lay better, feel softer. Fixing my hair makes me just kind of feel ready for my shift. I like to use a low bun. I can also put it in French braids if I want to, and maybe a top bun. I got into firefighting because of my dad. It just always kind of shaped me with seeing him work hard and just wanting to help the community. When I'm all done with my 48-hour shift, I like to look refreshed, feel my best, go out on a little brunch date with my boyfriend, or just to go do errands. Dry shampoo, this kind of helps with all the oiliness after a long shift. And just makes it feel refreshed. So this is the Kérastase oil drops. A little bit goes a long way. Helps with any of the frizziness. And then to kind of finish it off with my hair, I like to use the 3-in-1 styler, tame those a little bit. And then my hair is ready to go. I can get off shift and I feel my best self. I absolutely love being a firefighter. Our mission is to serve our community and help others. Is one of my biggest things that I absolutely love to do in any sort of emergency. And I just love being there for somebody.